Feeling like your WooCommerce orders are a chaotic jumble? Like trying to find a specific sock in a mountain of laundry? Well, I've got the perfect solution: order tags. Hey, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this course, we're diving deep into the world of WooCommerce order tags. This plugin is your secret weapon for supercharging your order management. It lets you add custom labels or tags to your orders, making them easy to sort, filter, and act upon. Think about it. No more scrolling endlessly to find that order with a rush delivery. No more accidentally shipping a free product to a customer who didn't meet the minimum order requirement. Order tags lets you say bye to these problems and helps you to manage your store efficiently. We'll cover everything from the basics to the nitty-gritty. We'll explore how to add new tags, edit the older ones, and set general and assignation options. Don't worry, we will hold your hand all the way and explain how you could change names, add descriptions, the parent order tag, and of course, color customizations. Because let's face it, a well-organized store is great, but a beautifully organized store? That's the dream. Over the next 6 lessons, we'll tackle creating and managing tags, setting up automatic assignments, mastering manual management, building tag hierarchies, and even bulk applying tags like a pro. You'll learn how to configure automatic assignment rules, understand the conditions, and even manage order tags hierarchy. So if you're ready to turn your WooCommerce order chaos into an organized masterpiece, then let's get started. Click the button below to jump right into lesson 1. Let's make your store awesome.